Hello, my YouTube friend. I've been kind of missing. I've just posted a couple of videos recently. I'll be back to doing videos regularly on this channel soon. But to do that, I need to start buying collections again. So this video is just to let you know that I am buying collections. And I kind of want to let you know what I'm paying for. Right now, our buying prices are for any pop valued over $15, we're paying 50% PPG prices. Anything from $10 to $15, we're paying 40%. And then if there's anything cheap under $10, we're paying 30%. I'm mostly looking for collections that are local in New York City that can be brought to my shop, just because shipping can lead to a lot more damage. And if a pop gets damaged, I'm going to adjust the value. And I really don't like doing that. You know, if you're expecting to get $500 and then I offer you $300, I feel bad. So I don't really like to do it through the mail, but if you really want to ship through the mail, if it's a cheaper value per pop, I don't really cover the shipping. So that's something you'll have to cover. But if you have a really nice collection where the average price per pop is over $20, so you have a lot of maybe you might have some $15 ones in there, but there's a lot of $20, $30, $40, $50, $200, $500 pops. That's kind of the collection I like to buy through the mail, just because it's less pops, but more value per pop, so the shipping goes down a lot. Now, if you're going to ship pops to me, please contact me. I'll tell you how to package it up really well. If you have things in pop protectors, that helps a ton. If you have sorter boxes, that helps a ton. Just anything that keeps the boxes from getting crushed helps a ton. Also, if you're shipping to me, I recommend you use Pirate Ship to ship and use UPS, because you can ship, I've had big packages with 30 pops from my store to Pennsylvania for $20. So if you're going to ship, use Pirate Ship. Use the UPS option. It's going to be a lot cheaper than the post office. The post office, that same box might be $100. Way too expensive. I'm still trying to figure out the logistics. I still want to create the world's biggest Funko Pop collection. I'm probably around there right now. I think I have around 9,000 Funko Pops. But I want to keep pushing this year, really grow the collection a lot. I'm out of room though, so I have kind of plans. I think I'm going to get a storage unit just to put new pops into, and then figure out how to find a better, more permanent spot to have the collection, just so I have room to share it with you guys. I'd like to do more top 10 type videos, more collection tour type videos, but until I can get to there, I have to stick with collection buying videos, which is more to do in my shop. So there'll be a lot more shop videos, especially when it's warm. When it's cold out, I don't really like to be in the shop that much, and it's too dark, so I don't have a lot of natural sunlight. But once it warms up and there's more sunlight, I'll be able to do more shop videos for you guys, which I'm really excited to do. I do have enough stuff, I think, to do a small haul video, so I'll film that later this week, I believe, for you guys. And just let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you would like to see that are maybe easy for me to do. Because big, epic collection haul videos is kind of hard to do right now. And just collection tour videos are kind of hard, but maybe there's something else that you would be interested in seeing. Maybe I'd start doing a Q&A video every week until I can get the big full pop train back on, because that's usually doesn't start till the spring. That's why usually on my channel from January through April, you don't really see as much content, just because I'm not buying as much. But I am turning the faucet back on to start buying very soon. So contact me if you're interested in selling. Also, if you want to see my face more and you want to see me doing more videos, make sure you check out my channel, Pop Comics. I've been posting a lot of videos there lately, having a ton of fun. And I would like to have you guys come join me there as well and just have a lot of fun watching me collect comic books, because I love comic books. All right, I hope to see you guys a ton in the near future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.